drinks. A little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Are you joking? Filthy, what the hell is that?
Totally epic.
What? Who does that?
Totally epic.
Filthy, was that literally just to be first? That's so petty. Who does that?
Totally
I'm
epic.
calm. Filth, are you fucking joking? Drew!
Totally epic.
I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine. Stop chewing all over yourselves. You guys are gross and a mess, and
Totally epic.
who did that? Drew? Filthy, are you guys done? Are we done now?
Totally epic.
Holy shit. I'm sure. I know who I'm yelling at. Go from a monster nap. How are you feeling, Britt?
Totally epic.
Filthy, you're gonna make me cry.
Totally epic.
And Drew and all of you. He has gifted 900 subs in here. And Drew
Totally epic.
and all of you just...
Totally epic.
Filthy, are you done? Are you quite fucking finished?
Totally epic. Totally epic. Totally epic.
Are you
Totally
kidding me?
epic. Totally epic.
Oh my god.
Totally epic.
What?
Totally epic.
First off, my makeup was flawless.
Totally epic.
Are you guys have to that can we stop now, please? I need Kleenex. I need Kleenex and I need to fix my flawless makeup. I don't even know what just happened. Bobby, thank you for clipping that. Saturday and Drew and I'm literally just sitting in this basement crying with my wine. Look what you did. Oh my god. Britt,
Totally epic.
thank you. James, Sugar, thank you for the $5 donation. Drew, thank you for
Totally
the
epic.
50 gifted subs. And Filthy, thank you for the 50 gifted subs. And then Drew, thank you for the gifted sub. And Filthy for another 50. Who even says that? Why is that a thing that I have to say?